Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A72S, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. To get started, we're gonna navigate into the settings. From here, navigate to storage. Select your SD card, so for me it's called disk, but there is an SD card in there, and then you can select format. Format this SD card. This Samsung SD card needs to be formatted to store apps, files, and media. And that is kind of inaccurate considering it's already seeing it correctly. But below that we have formatting erase existing content on the SD card to avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So anyway, I'm just gonna click on OK without backing it up because there isn't nothing on it actually, so I don't need to back up anything. And as you can see, your SD card is ready to use, so let's select done, and that's it. The card is formatted and you can now use it again. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.